Okay, so today we have a flat open, tight consolidation here at the day's open price. Let's see if this can be held as support and price breaks out pivot point and 300s, hold support and go even higher. Otherwise, this will be perfect resistance for short position. So let's see. Let's see if this 90 seller here can provide more upside for the price, or if it's gonna hold and price goes down below. Okay, so I bought here at 70s. Let's see if price finally holds here and then break out days open price and cash price and Friday's initial balance, Friday's equilibrium line, and then eventually breaks out pivot point and 300s, hold support, then rally higher. So let's see. Very slow price action at the moment. Very slow muted price action at the moment. I shorted against 75, got stopped out, and now I'm long against 60s. So let's see if price eventually goes up or if this initial resistance will continue to the downside. Let's see if price now breaks out to the upside. Initially it needs to break out 90s and then 300s, and then initial resistance at 330s, initial balance high of Friday's session. So let's see if this eventually can go up to 400s if this doesn't fail and this doesn't happen. So actually shorted here at initial resistance of European cash open price. This was better risk reward for the downside. Then if price reverse and retest it, I will buy it back for the potential breakout, but at the moment it's better to short it here. So let's see if this short can be sustained and how much. So very quiet at the moment, but look like double bottom here. So let's see if finally this breakout provides us with more upside. This will be nice if it breaks out. So let's see. Okay, so let's see this breakout if it's gonna be fast or slow, or if resistance holds here at 300s. Otherwise, this will be a very nice upside. So let's see. Okay, so at the moment held this uptrend above 300s, initial retest here and support. This could be very good long to add or to begin being long. So let's see now at 30s here. If it breaks it out to the upside and holds above, then it could possibly go higher. But at the moment we are trading inside Friday's initial balance. So if this breakout happens, then it will be very good opportunity for more upside. So I was expecting the price to find initial resistance here and then pull back at 300, then continue to the upside, but at the moment just broke it out straight away. So let's see how much of this can be sustained and then go higher. Very big spikes here. It took its consolidation initially in the morning, the first half hour of cash market open, then broke out all the levels, pivot point, days open price, US cash open price, rallied back up to Friday's initial balance high, held support perfectly, now spiked up 50 points or so. So let's see now if this breakout can be sustained and price goes up to 400s and then even higher, because if you see on the daily here, we tested Thursday's high, which is multi-month high. Let's see now if this can provide us with very big upside momentum. Otherwise, that was a very good short. To be honest, I don't think it was good to short it up here. And then price will eventually go lower, but let's see how this will go. Okay, so price still holds above. So if you watch some of my previous videos, I was explaining how an uptrend is. Consolidation, breakout, sideways consolidation, breakout. Let's see now if this is gonna be a sideways consolidation and then a breakout to 400s initially as well, or even higher. Let's see. Let's see now if this 97 lots at 70s will hold the market to the downside. I shorted here against the highs, 400 basically. Let's see if we'll get a pullback down to 300s or even initial balance high of the day today. Here I'm small trade here in terms of size. So let's see if we pull back a little bit. Okay, so price held resistance here at Thursday's last week's high. Now initially held support here at the initial balance high of today's trading. So let's see now if this can go and break down below and retest 300s. I'm still short, I scaled out the most, so let's see. Okay, so price continued its initial trend, retested here initial balance high and held support, rallied up to 400s initially resistance, then broke it out, consolidation to the upside, clear support, then further upside here. Let's see now if at the US cash market open price will eventually go up to 500s or if it pulls back and holds support at 400s and then rally back up. Let's see how this will play out. At the moment, very big uptrend, as this was the case for the half week of last week trading. So let's see. Let's see now this 9700 lots buyer, if this is gonna hold the price above 400s. Okay, so we had a hold situation for a few minutes, but then things get back on track. So I sorted here for 90s breakdown. This is my targets here. So let's see if price can pull back down to here or even 300s and then rallies back up during the US cash market open. So let's see. Okay, let's see now that the US open. SPY gapped up and rallying. Let's see if it finds resistance at 210. And let's see if DAX correlates and held resistance at 400s, which I have shorted here and I would like to short it as well. Otherwise, this support will be a continuation of the day's trend and hold support here at 400s and go higher. But before it goes higher, let's see if it's kind of pullback and hold support at any of these levels. Okay, so I reversed the position. We had a consolidation here. Now looks like it will break out. I sorted here. I bought it here at 85s. These are my targets for a trend continuation of today's initial move. So let's see if price goes back up to 400s, full support, and then continuation rally to the upside. So I got long here at 90s for a potential move to the upside, but I don't like the divergence with SPY, the inverse correlation. So let's see if SPY holds above 209 and then retests 2010. That will help DAX as well to the upside. So let's see which scenario will play out. At the moment, clear support here at US cash open price. So let's see if this scenario play out. I have my targets like this, so hopefully it will go up. So here's what I don't like. So why I shorted again against 400 is we have a sell of, let's say, on SPY, but DAX just consolidated sideways. Of course, this is because of bad PMI data today, and of course DAX is about early optimism about Draghi conference on Thursday. If SPY holds here, which looks like it almost held, and rallies back up to 210, then DAX will probably break out. Otherwise, if SPY breaks down 209, then that means that DAX will go even lower. So let's see. At the moment, nothing happened. Best short was here close to 400s. Otherwise, this could be very good long. Who knows? Let's see. Okay, so DAX finally decided to puke and sell back down. So let's see here this perfect support at 46 is about at 48 with volume spike. This could be very good long opportunity. Let's see if this holds. If SPY, which is now trying to retest 209, holds support, then DAX will go up. Otherwise, if SPY breaks down, DAX will have more downside. Okay, so SPY held support here at 209s. DAX faked down previous low where at initial balance high, very important level. Now rallied back above. Let's see if this would provide us a retest of 400s, currently long. So let's see. After the support here, I would like to see how it will behave here at last week's high and how it will behave here at today's US cash open price, and then eventually up to 400s if not higher. So let's Okay, so we have a continuation to the downtrend, to the uptrend. Here initially held at initial balance high, then faked it down and rallied back up. Resistance one pivot point became support, initial rally, then support at last week's high and multi-month high. Let's see now if this breakout could be a breakout of 400s as well and price rallies above. Let's see. If we would like to put this into intraday perspective, so today we double bottom here at US cash open price, initially consolidation, then breakout, aggressive rally up to 90s, then a pullback until initial balance high, then a second rally up to 400s, then sideways action with rally as well, then initial pullback and consolidation here at US open price, then sharp down move to initial balance high which held support once more. Now let's see if this rally can lead us back to 400s or even higher to test the day's high. So we have clear support here at US cash open price, so let's see if this can hold and break out to the upside. So sideways price action continues very slow at the US session, as this is the case when initially the European cash open price rallies aggressively. So let's see if this support now can eventually provide us with a move above 400s. Bought again here for the breakout at 90s. Let's see if this will happen. Okay, so now DAX broke out 400s and held perfectly, almost double top at resistance 2. Now sold off below 400s, and that was very choppy, let's say, session. But if you focus on the main levels, this could provide some opportunities intraday. So thanks for watching, and let's see tomorrow how markets are gonna behave.